My expectations coming into the season, we knew that we were losing a lot of seniors, so we knew that we had some spots to fill, and we obviously wanted to go 10-0, so that's always our goal, just to win games.
My favorite memory of the season was definitely beating Jackson on their home field. It was an amazing experience, and it was awesome.
Definitely beating Glen Oak this season, because we had them up. I mean, they were supposed to be good this year, and we had expectations that they're going to be good, and we went in and we beat them by a bunch. So.
So much is showing me, shaping me, growing me, taking me sowing seeds, a growing tree, y'all get a load of me. Yeah, don't let them slow me. I get the bag like a grocery. I'm on my grind like I'm supposed to be, and I do not care if you notice me. Boxes, boxes, I cannot fit in the boxes. Stop it, stop it. Quitting was never an option. Exhausted, exhausted. This passion is never exhausted, and you cannot stop it. Nah, you cannot.
Body language is big. We play with confidence for 4 quarters. That's the challenge. Everyone gets better for 4 quarters tonight. We haven't played that yet. We're playing for 4 quarters. Make it happen tonight.
Yeah, it's all hard, ain't no fear here. You ain't giving it, so all you steer clear. Never beat, I've been down and I reappear. You got some money on the line, you better put it here. Rolling in and doing that work. Check priorities, I'm doing that first. Let's go. Check's big and I'm sure that hurts, but it's checkmate. We ain't selling short, know the work. Ain't nowhere to hide. You ain't gotta see me come and keep me on your mind, 'cause I'll be on the way. Yeah. You know I'll be on the way.
That's one. That's one.
On a mission, I'ma get it. You know I'll be on the way. Yeah. Now we coming for the bags that they said I couldn't have. Get the 10. I got a vision for the things you ain't believe. Here's the motto, hard work is over everything. It's that comeback. I'm calling plays, hit the pass, then the run back. Yeah.
Let's go, Vikes.
But we ain't letting up, we never done that. Ain't nowhere to hide. You ain't gotta see me come and keep me on your mind.
That's two. That's two.
Yeah. You know I be on the way. Man on a mission, I'ma get it. You know I be on the way.
That's three.
On the way. Yeah. On the way. I'm on the way.
It's a 100 game, a long rivalry. Long rivalry. For years they had the advantage. Recently we turned that tide. It's our duty, our job to chip away at that, get back to our side. This year, right now, we need to do it. How we're going to do that is playing together. Playing with your heart. Giving it all you have, even when it hurts. Even when you don't have it tired, you have to give more. You can't settle to get beat.
Now I'm reaching new heights. I'ma need the off-whites. Play with the fire, you get burned. All of my struggles became lessons well learned. I got desires that keep me grounded, that's for sure. Cause one day we gon' make it out this earth. Where's your worth?
I'm sick of your talking, you got the wrong one. I'm taking your king and I leave him broken. If I am in second, it's after no one. Just give me a second to let him know. I'm the headline, the deadline. I'm ahead time, the rare kind. I'm a living legend, lethal weapon, master.
The king is back like prodigal. I gave him time, it's been too long. Was silent calm, but now the storm. I'm not the one you can't ignore. I never politic, if I want it, I'ma get mine. Never fake the funk, can't perform for your empire. Snatch him out the throne, make them all fall in line. I let the clock tick, count down, cause I'm
sick of your talking, you got the wrong one. I'm taking your king and I leave him broken. If I am in second, it's after no one. Just give me a second to let him know. I'm the headline, the deadline. I'm ahead time, the rare kind. I'm a living legend, lethal weapon, master, minor. Big time.
out of the ashes, a phoenix arises. Faith of a mustard seed can move any mountains. The people are watching, so I cannot stop it. Been down for too long now, I gotta rock it. The mud, you know how it goes. Now we sitting at the top, had to bring the
Never fall back. We will stay right where we at. We ain't never fall back. Yeah. We ain't never fall back. And you can find me where I'm at. We ain't never fall back. We ain't never fall back. And you can find me where I'm at. We ain't never fall back. Come up with a game plan. Double XL up in the pen, you can't shake that. All the way gassed up, full tank, man. Moving too quick, keep the cameras in the playback. Dang, tell me how you feel with it. You put a lid on it, I ain't got no chill with it. This right here your problem, you gon' have to deal with it. Dead on the line, high risk, that's the meal ticket. Yeah, we ain't never fall back. All around where we at. No lies on facts, we gon' stay right where we at. We ain't never fall back. Yeah, we ain't never fall back. And you can find me where I'm at. We ain't never fall back. We ain't never fall back. And you can find me where I'm at. We ain't never fall back. Been way down, never falter. Came with the hands out, get them off. I'm 24/7 in the office. Pay attention cause I ain't repeating offers. Yeah, never met a man I've been scared of. Careful, you gon' get exactly what you asked for. Here for whatever you bring me, get it handled. I answer to no one, I don't need a hassle. Yeah, we ain't never fall back. Hold up, girl, where we at? We ain't never fall back. Hold up, girl, where we at? Never fall back. We ain't never fall back. Hold up, girl, where we at? Yeah. No lies on facts. You can find me right where I'm at. We ain't never fall back. change. I brought the product and things, turning my L's into gains. Channel the pain, looking to better the days. Yeah, you were a product of fear in the men. You can't get away from them things, and I am aware, fully prepared. The devil he speaks. Yeah, and this what he said. You gotta get paid, do what you gotta do. Get to the bag, stay at your 9 to 5, get on the avenue. You ain't cut out for them bags. Yeah, you are not good enough. You are the type of got people that shouldn't love anyone knowing that knows that you phony. You never cut out for this. You should just give it up. Yeah, but that's how they want me to feel. I am the man of the steel, king of the hill, man of the year. Finally feel like I got it for real. Yeah, but all of them voices we got them. Lie to me, Hillary Rodham. I just came back from my kid in the bottom, and now I'm gonna bring it back all the way on them. Yeah, one time I'm going for mine. You put it on mine. You better believe they're looking for me. One time I'm going for mine. You put it on mine. Looking for me. Yeah, one time I'm going for mine. You put it on mine. You better believe they're looking for me. One time I'm going for mine. You put it on mine. Looking for me.
1, 2, 3, peace!
Feel like John Morant, need a triple-double. Told him check the stats, yeah, I got a couple. I don't drive the ball, now I never fumble. I'm the MVP, now I feel like Russell. Feel like John Morant, need a triple-double. Told him check the stats, yeah, I got a couple. I don't drive the ball, now I never fumble. I'm the MVP, now I feel like Russell. Yeah, I need it now, told him on the lay. I've been moving dog, yeah, I'm on the way. I don't hear the talk, don't care what he say. I don't got no patience, I can't ever wait. I've been trying to get it, running up all these digits. And I've been in the gym, I've been up doing minutes. I just put in that work, told him it's Philly business. And I see through the face, yeah, I just burning bridges. Feel like John Morant, need a triple-double. Told him check the stats, yeah, I got a couple. I don't drive the ball, now I never fumble. I'm the MVP, now I feel like Russell. Feel like John Morant, need a triple-double. Told him check the stats, yeah, I got a couple. I don't drive the ball, now I never fumble. I'm the MVP, now I feel like Russell. Yeah, they don't want it, dog, like I want it, dog. Yeah, they say they want it, then they took the summer off. I've been going down the list, checking numbers off. I was checking all your numbers, told them something's off. I was at the bottom, now you know I'm climbing. Now they sending deals, they know I ain't signing. They've been trying to sell it.
And another brother. Who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread. Forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Let's go!
Pass one.
Leading into the Jackson game, I was expecting us to have a pretty decent record. Obviously, the main goal is to beat Jackson. We don't like to lose to them, so.
I mean, I thought we were gonna win. I thought we were gonna. I mean, I had my doubts, but I definitely thought, like, in the end, we're gonna win. We're gonna win.
Are you willing to do whatever it takes to win? We've been working all year for this moment. Will you put everything on the line when it's win or go home? This is a different game when playoffs come around. How far are you willing to go? Are you gonna settle with being comfortable? When your names are called, how will you respond? This isn't a time for mistakes. It's the best of the best competing at war for 48 minutes. It's beyond a friendly game at this point. You're either in it or you're out. What's it gonna be? Hoover's ready. I hope you are too.
I was expecting a win, and I reacted. I went to my knees because I was in exhaustion, and then I found my brother. And my brother never got the opportunity to beat Jackson when he was a senior, so that's where I ran and found him.
Let me tell you something you already know. The world ain't all sunshine and rainbows. It's a very mean and nasty place, and I don't care how tough you are, it will beat you to your knees and keep you there permanently if you let it. You, me, or nobody is gonna hit as hard as life. But it ain't about how hard you hit. It's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward. How much you can take and keep moving forward. That's how winning is done. Now, if you know what you're worth, now go out and get what you're worth. But you gotta be willing to take the hits and not pointing fingers saying you ain't where you wanna be because of him or her or anybody. Cowards do that, and that ain't you. You're better than that.
I got loyalty inside my DNA. I got loyalty inside my DNA. I got power, poison, pain, and joy inside my DNA. I was born like this, born like this, immaculate conception. I transform like this, perform like this. When you a new weapon, I need you to pray. I meditate and offer this. It's that power, kiss the bed. It's that I got.
Hi, Mom!
We welcome our visitors this evening, the North Canton Hoover Vikings.
I mean, it's all about effort. I mean, just play your butt off all throughout the season. You'll be fine.
I like to tell them, work as hard as you possibly can. Hard work does pay off, even though it may not seem like it when you're young and you're a sophomore, but hard work definitely does pay off.
I'll tell the underclassmen that playing for Hoover is that you're making memories that you're never going to forget in your life. You'll learn core values that go on far beyond football, and it's just a great time to spend with your friends.
All right, now point at me and scream!